Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a PowerPoint presentation where text appears one line at a time. In this tutorial, you will learn how to open PowerPoint, prepare your slide, add your text, duplicate text boxes, and finally apply the fade animation effect so that your text appears individually on your slide. We will begin by opening the PowerPoint application from your computer. Once you have launched the program, locate the presentation you want to work on and open it so that you can start editing the slide where you want your text to be animated. After you have opened your presentation file, navigate to the slide of interest. You may have several slides in your presentation, so be sure to select the one where you plan to display your text line by line. Next, look for the Insert tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the window. Clicking on the Insert tab will reveal a number of options to add different elements to your slide. Among these options you will find the text box tool, which allows you to input any text you would like to display. Once you have located the text box tool within the Insert tab, click on it. The screen will then allow you to place a text box anywhere on your slide. Click on the area where you want to add your text and start typing your content. This text is what will eventually appear on your slide with a line-by-line animation, so be sure to write exactly what you need. After typing in your text into the newly created text box, you should duplicate the text box to separate your text into different lines or sections if required. To duplicate it, press the Control key while clicking and dragging the edge of the text box. This technique copies the text box and all of its current formatting so you can recreate the same style for each line. Repeat this process at least one more time, ensuring that you create multiple separate text boxes. Each duplicate will serve as a container for a segment of your text, allowing each to be animated independently. When you have finished setting up the separate text boxes with your content, the next step is to apply the fade animation effect to each one. This animation will make your text appear gradually on the slide. To start the animation process, go to the Animations tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. Here you will see a variety of animation effects that can be applied to different elements on your slide. Click on the text box that you want to animate first. Carefully select the fade animation from the list of available options. This selection sets up your first text box to appear with a smooth fade effect during your presentation. Once you have applied the fade effect to the first text box, repeat the process for each remaining text box individually. By doing so, you ensure that every segment of your text will appear one at a time, creating a clear and visually appealing effect for your audience. Following these steps carefully allows you to design a presentation with progressive text appearance, which can help maintain audience engagement throughout your talk. This guide has now taken you through all the essential actions required to make your text appear line by line in PowerPoint. Enjoy creating dynamic and engaging presentations using these techniques on your next project, and feel confident in using these basic but effective animation tools provided by PowerPoint.